This one right here is the type of baby that Seagull usually has. And as you can see, she's different than these other babies. She's a lot different. It's really hard to get them to come up. And of course, I only had like a couple of seconds with her. But she's a lot different than the others. And you probably can't tell that far away. Let's see if she'll come back. Come here, buddy. Come on. Come on. See how she's making different calls? Are you gonna let the baby eat? Let the baby eat. I was trying to film the baby. Come here, little baby. She's doing pretty well. Hey. Come on. Stop chasing the baby away. I'm trying to film her. This one's kind of behaving like Marty, and I know it's not Marty. But she looks really different than these other babies. She's got kind of a smokier gray, and her head is like a different gray. And it's just a little bit different looking. And then if we look at these babies over here, these are most of the babies. It's kind of more like this. She gets in the light like that, it's a little bit different, but I don't know how to describe it super well, but it is different. Like, she looks like she's like a different bloodline or something like that. And then this seagull looks kind of similar to Seagulls type of seagull, kind of, for the most part. This is one of the lighter ones again. See how she looks? They're the same age. They were born at the same time, but that one has her winter stuff coming in. Wait, where did I just lost where she's at? See how they look a lot different? And it's not different years or anything like that either. And the sounds she's using is a little bit different than the other babies. She has a little bit more attitude call thing. And yeah, she has the same face type as Seagulls. See you later, guys. He have the same beak as Marty. He looks like he has the same type of crap on his beak that Marty did. Not exactly the same though. Like way down there, there's another baby that's the same age. And they're getting their little bit of gray in for winter. Or blue or gray. This is the injured baby down here that's the same age. But she's pretty far away for the phone to really show. What's that yellow thing right there? Is that a piece of plastic that needs to get picked up? That's a little bit. Here she comes again. See? She has a very different voice she's using. I swear she looks just like Seagulls babies. Will you come eat? It could be one of the Seagulls babies, but I don't know. Yeah, you've got a totally different voice than these other babies. You're just so beautiful. There's a dog that's walking this way. There's a dog. She went to the water.
Sorry, that was a special moment.
Another duck. Okay, it's like 9 minutes long. I think she's the one in the water right there. Yeah, she's the one in the water right there.